Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial on SolidWorks. Today we are going to create a helix on helix part. It will be like that there is a helical coil on which you have wrapped another wire. Okay, so let's go to new part. Now select top plane, sketch. Now draw a circle of 100 mm. Exit the sketch. Now go to features, curves, helix and spiral. Okay, now for pitch let's give it 20 pitch. Okay, for revolutions let's make 5 revolutions and the start angle should be 0. uh, you can easily understand that pitch into revolutions is the height of a helix. Okay, so it will be 100 Okay, click OK. Now select top plane, sketch. Now draw a center line like this. Okay, it should be vertical. Now select the endpoint and helix. Create a Peirce relation. Now draw a circle on the endpoint of this center line. The diameter of circle, let's say 2 mm. Okay, the distance here matters. Okay, actually I hold down the shift key. Let me show you how it is done. Okay, I will select smart dimension and select this endpoint. Now I will hold down shift key. You can see that L shift is written here and select this circle, and you can see that you can create a minimum dimension here. Let's give it 5 mm. That means the wire here will have a 10 mm diameter. Okay, exit the sketch, select swept bow space. This is our profile and this is our path. Now go to options and select specify twist value, and in revolution, one thing you should always remember that you cannot give more than 100 revolutions here. There is a limitation. Okay, I will tell you how to overcome that. For now I will give 100 revolutions. Let's say 101. You can see that it gave a error that cannot have more than 100. So let's give it a value of 100 sorry, 100 times. Okay, okay, click OK. Let's disable these. Okay, now I will draw a wire inside this. Okay, select right plane, sketch, normal to, and draw a circle here of 10 diameter. Select this helix and this center point and create a Peirce relation. Exit the sketch. Now select swept bows. This circle as the profile and this as the path. Keep in mind you have to uncheck merge result here, otherwise it will give a 0 thickness error. Click OK. As you can see that we have created our part. Now, as I told that if what if we want more than 100 revolutions, okay? So let's say that this is our half of the spring, okay? This is half the helical part, okay? So we have 100 here, but we wanted 200, okay? So I will just create this part one more time, okay? There are two ways to do it. I can draw another helix here. Let's say I will select top plane, reference geometry plane, and select this endpoint of helix. Keep parallel, okay? Now select this plane, sketch, and convert the helical circle helical helix feature sketch. Now repeat the same process, okay? All the parameters are going to be same. Select this face and sketch, convert entity, exit. Now swept boss base, select the upper helix. Now in merge result, uncheck auto select and select the middle part only, okay? Click OK. Now select this face, sketch, convert entity, again exit sketch, swept boss base, and select the upper helix. In option, specify twist value, and let's give revolutions, 100 revolutions. And check auto select here also, and select, in this case select this helical part, okay? Click OK. So you can see that we actually created a part with 200 revolution, okay? This is a very simple case, okay? We can repeat this with many types of body. Let me show you. You can go to let's create a new part, select top plane, sketch. Let's draw a circle here, 100 mm, sorry, 100 mm. Exit the sketch, again select top plane, okay? Now draw a circle here, let's say 2 mm. Create a center line from this point to this point, okay? The dimension, let's say 6 mm, okay? Make this center line coincident on origin. Everything is fully defined now. Now exit the sketch, go to swept boss, select this and then this, okay? Now specify twist value, and in revolution, now let's give it 20 revolutions. Okay, there is some error. Let's reduce it. Okay, it should be normal to the profile. I made a mistake here. Okay, fingers were crossed. SolidWorks was just about to crash. Okay, thank you, Dr. Lorex. Uh, Sorry, that was Dr. Seuss. Okay, it should be normal to the path. Okay, now go to options, specify twist value, revolutions. You can see that it is giving number of revolutions, but the problem is that it is actually you can see. Okay, uh, this looks doesn't look circular here. Okay, to fix that there is a way. Okay, again select right plane, sketch, and just draw a line here. Let's just use this line, and in surface select swept surface and this circular path. In options specify twist value, revolutions, let's say 15. Okay, or let's say 20. Okay, now go to swept pose space, select this profile and this path. Okay, maybe I selected the wrong one, but it is only half the way. You know, there is a selection manager. Okay, you can right click here and selection manager, select group. Now select first this edge and then this edge. Okay, now click OK here, click OK. Let's hide no, let's keep it here, and now let's draw a circle here, tangent to this and coincident on this sketch. Okay, now just create a simple swept post base. This time also uncheck merge result. Okay, now what if you there is a question that what if I want to wrap a helix about this one also. Okay, that can be done also. Let me show you. It is just a repetitive process. Okay, just on top plane draw another line here like this. Okay, let's say it is 2 mm. Okay, now in surface select swept surface, selection manager, group, click OK. This is not going to be very great result. There are not going to be very great results. Okay, okay, that should have been front plane. Front plane sketch. Okay, that is the right plane. Sorry. The results are not going to be very great here, but let's try. It is not allowing, but in most cases it works. Okay, so that you can wrap a curve on curve. Okay, there are many more ways to do that. Let me show you. First of all, I told you about intersection curve command tool. Okay, let me show you how it can be used. Okay, I will draw a square here like this. Let's make it a square. Just make these diagonal perpendicular to each other, and it will be a square of 100 mm. Okay, now in surfaces, first let's create some fillet, or you can just let it be. Okay, in surface, extruded surface, let's extrude it 100 mm with a draft. I'm just going to make it difficult. Okay, now on front plane, sketch, draw a line. Okay, now again on front plane, draw another line like this. Keep in mind that it should be longer than this. Okay, now go to swept surface. This is our profile and this is our path. In options, again specify twist value, revolutions. Okay, I told you about recently that there is a sketched intersection curve. Let's use it. It is actually exceeding this, so there will be some disjoint here. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, you can see it is better now. Let's hide these surfaces, and you have a helix, but with a square, okay, shape. Okay, you can give as many shapes as you want. There are many ways to do it. Let me show you. If you can just use trim command here also. Let me show you. Uh, you can just trim something here that could have been helpful. First, this surface should extend. Okay, now go to trim surface. Okay, in trim tool, select this as trim tool, and remove selection, select this. Okay, click OK. Now let's hide this, and you can see that you have a this shape here. Okay, now you can easily use these as the curves. Okay, so this concludes our video tutorial on how to use sweep tools to create a helix on helix. There are many more applications to this. In next video, I will try to use equations to show you how these helix can be created with equations. Uh, Till then, if you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day.